I'm going to show you the chrome pieces that were replaced that we discussed. We'll start with the front end. Front bumper, both the center section and the ends. The headlight bezels. The hood rockets. So that wraps up the front end of the car. If you remember, the vent window on the passenger side had a lot of corrosion, so that piece of glass along with the chrome trim is new. Door handles have been replaced. Moving to the rear, the taillight housings. Those are matched up well with the rear bumper. Here's the other housing. Both bases on the antennas. And come around to the driver's side, the right or the left rear quarter window. It had a lot of corrosion on this trim, this Ford trim. So that glass and trim are new, as well as the door handle on this side. So any door panels I took off, I lubricated the window tracks too, just made sure everything was functioning properly. Yeah, if there's something I missed or some other detail you'd like to see, just let me know.